In memory unit, there are two operations, read and write. Similarly, here also in stack there are two operations. What are they? In stack there are two operations. What are they? Push and pop. The two operations regarding is a stack. There are two types of stacks are there: register stack, memory stack. The stack is constructed using registers. It is called register stack, placed one above the other. The registers are placed one above the other in this manner. Okay, and this is called register stack. And the bottom of the stack, the above one is currently the top of the stack. Top of the stack, the items insert చేసిన items లో which one is top? Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 is now top. That's why it is currently top of the stack under. Okay, and stack pointer is the register which shows the address of the top of the stack. Top element ఏ రిజిస్టర్ లో ఉందో ఆ రిజిస్టర్ యొక్క అడ్రస్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ 6 కాబట్టి the 6 will be in stack pointer. Stack pointer is address register for stack. మెమరీకి ఎలాగైతే అడ్రస్ రిజిస్టర్ ఉంటుందో స్టాక్ కూడా స్టాక్ పాయింటర్ అలాగనమాట. LIFO లాస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్ మేనర్. There are two flip-flops or two flags are there. Full and empty flip-flops are there. Full is set to 1 when all the elements, when all the register are filled up with elements. Okay? All the registers are filled with data, no register is empty, then the stack is full under. Then fully set to 1 out. Otherwise fully set to 0. Empty nothing but when all the registers are empty in the stack. In the register stack, if all the registers are empty, then the stack is set to be empty. Then empty set to 1 అవుతుంది. Otherwise empty flip-flop is set to 0. All the elements, all the register contains the data, then stack is full. If no data is available, all the registers are empty, then empty is set to 1. Okay, it is two flip-flops used to represent whether the stack is full or empty. Stack అనేది full or empty చెప్పడానికి we have to use stack. Okay, two flip-flops flag. Empty and full flags are flip-flop. Okay, and the first operation is push operation. Push అంటే pushing into the stack అంటే inserting new item into the stack. Inserting new item into the stack is called push operation. Okay, like write operation in the memory. Memory లో write operation ఎలా చేస్తాము, like that. Okay, for this one stack pointer decremented by 1, 6 minus 5. And data register data is transferred to M of SP. And if SP is equal to 0, then if SP reaches to 0 and 0 reach అయిందంటే stack full అయిపోయినట్టు. then fully set to 1, otherwise empty set to 0. Similarly, pop operation, same as we incremented the data removed first from the stack and stack pointer incremented by 1, and if SP reaches 10, 11, then stack is empty, then otherwise fully set to 0. This is memory stack. Nothing but some number of memory words. A group of memory words we have to use as a memory stack. Okay, register stack, nothing but a group of registers place one above the other, and it can be accessed as a register stack. Similarly, if you construct a memory stack, take a group of or a number of memory words. In this case, this one. Okay, this number of memory words are taken as a memory stack. Okay, and the about one are used to store programs. These are used to store data, and this part is used as a memory stack. Okay, these memory words are used for memory stack operation. Okay, similarly push operation and pop operation. And this is example. Currently, the stack pointer, memory stack. Okay, these memory words are used for stack. Okay, bottom of the stack. This is the bottom of the stack. Okay, currently the top element is minus 28. Currently the top element is minus 28, and the stack point register is used to represent the address. Okay, same, subtract SP minus 1 new item into SP m of SP. This is push operation and pop operation. Reverse Polish notation. This is called infix notation. Already I have discussed it. The operator is placed in between the two operands. Okay, the operator is placed in between the two operands, then it is infix notation. Prefix or Polish notation, the operator is placed before the two operands. This is called Polish notation. Okay, and after the two elements, it is called postfix or reverse Polish notation. Okay, A star B plus C star D converted into RPN, reverse Polish notation. How you are converted the infix notation into postfix or RPN notation. Okay, first AB star, let me AB star, A star B converted to AB star, and C star D converted to CD star, and both are added, the plus C will be. Okay, this is the conversion of infix notation into postfix or RPN notation. Why we are converted the infix notation into postfix notation? If you want to execute any arithmetic expression using stack, first the expression converted to RPN notation. If you want to execute any arithmetic expression using stack, you have to convert it into RPN notation, and then only you have to execute that expression by using stack. Okay, an example 2 into 2 star 4 and 3 star 3. 2 into 4 can be written as 2 4 star, and 3 into 3 can be written as 3 into 3 3 star. Scan from left to right. Scan from left to right. If an operator is found, that operation is performed between the two operands before the operator. 2 is the operand, 4 is the operand, star is the operator. Then star is performed between 2 and 4. 2 4 multiply చేస్తే we get 8. చూడండి 8 and 3 3 star plus. Well, again scan from left to right. 8 operand, 3 operand, 3 operand. Star is the operator. When operator is found, that operation is performed between the two operands before that operator star 3 into 3 9. Okay, 8 9 plus again 8 is the operand, 9 is the operand, plus is the operator, and again scan from left to right. 8 plus 9 17. This is the answer, and some examples are there. Convert this one into RPN notation. First square brackets, then circle bracket. First circle bracket, circle parenthesis, square brackets under it. And multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. Okay, this is BODMAS rule. First circle parenthesis and square brackets, multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. This is the order. We have to convert first the operation in the circle brackets. Okay, చూడండి AB plus first AB plus, next DA plus D plus ఈ circle brackets కాబట్టి DE plus, then before addition multiplication perform చేయాలి కాబట్టి C star, then F plus, but both are multiplied. This is AB plus CD DE plus C star F plus star converted into this one. And 3 4 you have to perform 3 into 4 plus 5 into 6. You have to perform like in infix notation 3 into 4 plus 5 into 6. First this is converted into in RPN notation 3 4 star 5 6 star plus. When operand is found, just push that operand into stack. Push 3, then stack loki the third element will be 4. Again 4 is the operand. Again push 4. Now the top of the stack is 4. And when an operator is there, the stack performs that operation on the top 2 items in the stack. Top 2 items in the stack, and these 2 items are popped and remove చేసేస్తుంది, and the result replacing the lower operand. The result replacing the lower operand. Then star is operator. The multiplication 3 4. The multiplication is performed between 3 and 4, and 3 4 are popped. Popped ante removed, and the result replacing the lower operand. 4 3 lower operand కాబట్టి the 12 replacing the lower operand. Okay, this is multiplication. Then again 5 nothing but operand. Push 5. Again push 6. The 2 elements are inserted into the stack. And operator star is the operator. Malli again multiplication. 5 and 6 are multiplied. Here 6, here 5. Both are multiplied, and these 2 are popped. The result replacing the lower operand 30m. Okay, then again plus, add 30 plus 12 40. Okay. Role of stack in computer programming ante it is. Okay, we have to execute the arithmetic expressions using stack. Okay, and this is also queue. Stack is last in first out, and queue is first in first out. Okay, in queue there are both the ends are open. Okay, whereas for stack bottom end is closed, top end is open, whereas for queue both the ends are open. One is inlet and one is outlet. Okay, that's why first in first out. 3 4 5 6. Then 3 will be removed first. First insert చేసింది first to be out, because both the ends are open. It is queue. LIFO is stacked. In stack, bottom end will be closed. Only top end will be open. This one is closed. This one is open for stack. Then last topic in second unit, additional instructions. In addition to the arithmetic addition, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, there are other instructions like AND operation, OR operation. These are called logic instructions. Okay, these operations are called logic operations, and the instructions to perform these operations are called logic instruction. Okay. Logic operations such as AND, OR, NOT, these are basic operations. AND gate by using AND gate, by using OR gate, and by using NOT gate. We have to perform the AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation. These three are basic logic operations. Okay, na? AND gate. This is the AND gate. We have all know in STLD. Okay. AB, two inputs, and Y is the output. For AND gate, the truth table is AB 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. There are four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For 0 0, the AND gate output is 0. For 0 1 also 0. For 1 0 also 0. And only 1 1, the output is 1. The AND gate output is 1 only when the two inputs are 1. Okay. Otherwise, the output is 0. AND gate ki both inputs 1 అయినప్పుడు మాత్రమే output 1 వస్తుంది. In the remaining all the cases, the output is 0. This is called AND gate. Okay. And next one is OR gate. OR gate symbol. This one is OR gate. This is A, again B and Y, the output. This is OR gate. Similarly, here also there are four combinations are there 0 1 1 0 and 1. Here the output is 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 for 1 0 1 for 1 1 also 1. The OR gate output is 1. OR gate or either or and whether either A or B. If any input is 1, the output is 1. If any input is 1, the output is 1. Okay. And next one is NOT gate. NOT gate symbol is also known to all of you. Only single input gate. This is called single input gate. This is A and Y is A bar. Output is A bar. Okay. This is NOT gate. If it is input is 1, the output is 0. If it input is 0, output is 1. These are the three basic gates: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. These three are the three basic gates, and we have to perform the AND operation, OR operation, NOT operation by using these three gates. Okay. అందుకే దీన్ని చూడండి బేసిక్ బిల్డింగ్ బ్లాక్స్ ఆఫ్ డిజిటల్ సర్క్యూట్స్ అంటే ఇవి AND గేట్, OR గేట్ అండ్ NOT గేట్. Okay, this is some example I have taken. If R1 is equal to 1 1 0 0 and R2 is equal to 1 0 1 0, till now we have to perform the R operation and AND operation between two bits, either 0 0 ఇస్తే R gate కి 0 or 1 1 ఇస్తే 1, అంటే బిట్వీన్ టూ ఇండివిజువల్ బిట్స్ కి ఆర్ ఆపరేషన్ చేయడం తెలుసు, అలాగే బిట్వీన్ టూ ఇండివిజువల్ బిట్స్ కి అండ్ ఆపరేషన్ చేయడం తెలుసు. ఇప్పుడు నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు పెర్ఫార్మ్ ద అండ్ ఆపరేషన్, ఆర్ ఆపరేషన్, నాట్ ఆపరేషన్ టు రిజిస్టర్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ రిజిస్టర్స్, either R1 R2. Perform AND operation between R1 R2 or perform AND operation R operation between R3 R4, like that. Now we have to study how to perform the AND or NOT operations between registers. Registers, how we have to perform the operations, logic operations between two registers or two memory word data. Okay. Now I have taken two registers R1 and R2, 1100 1010. These are two registers. Okay. And now we have to perform the AND operation. Here the AND operation between R1 R2. R1 register ki R2 register ki AND operation perform cheyali. How we have to perform the AND operation between R1 and R2? This is R1 data, this is R2 data, and perform the AND operation between the two registers is nothing but perform the AND operation between that individual bits of same bit position. Okay, this is 0 bit position, this is first bit position, this is second bit position, this is third bit position. Okay, and perform AND operation between the two 0 bit position. Okay, and for 0 0 the AND operation is 0, and for first bit position 0 and 1 are there, and for 0 and 1 the AND operation is 0. Similarly for operation is 0. Similarly for 1 and 1 the AND operation is 1. Now this is the AND operation between the two registers R1 R2. Okay, just simply perform that operation, either AND gani R gani, similar exclusive or like anything, XNOR XR, like what not, everything, NAND NOR, all these operations are performed between the two registers. ఎలా పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలి? Performing that operation between the two same bit position, 0 bit position లో ఉన్న 2 bits కి we have to perform the AND operation, and for first bit position we have to perform the AND operation. Similarly second bit position, third bit position. If there are 8 bits are there, similarly the same continued for fourth bit position, fifth bit position, and sixth bit position, and seventh bit position. Okay, all the 8 bits are performed. Okay, this is the AND operation between the two registers. Okay, similarly we have to take the same two registers to perform the R operation. R operation we have to perform same. Again take R1 R2 registers 1100 1010. Again 0 bit positions, first bit, second bit position, and third bit, and similarly for 0 and 0 the R operation is 0, for 0 and 1 the R operation is 1, for 1 and 0 the R operation is 1, for 1 and 1 the R operation is 1. That is 1 1 triple 1 0. The same you have to get here also. R1 R2. R1 R2 nothing but R1 R2 are acts as a source registers, and R2 can also be used as a destination register. That's why the output is transferred to R2 register. The output is transferred to R2 register. Okay. This is R operation between the two registers having 4 bits each. Okay. To perform the logic operations, both registers having same number of bits. The length of the registers are same. అంతేగాని register R1 contains 8 bits and register R2 contains 4 bits. Then we cannot perform the logic operations for these two registers. Okay. The operations are performed between the two registers having same length. Length nothing but same number of bits in both the registers. R1 contains 8 bits. Okay, R1 contains 8 bits, whereas okay, then we cannot perform the AND operation or R operation between these two registers. Okay, one register contains 8 bits, one register contains only 4 bits. Then these two, for these two registers we cannot perform any operation on R AND operation or R operation like that. Okay, both the registers having same number of bits. Here also 8 bits. Then we can perform the AND operation, R operation, or anything. Okay, XOR, XNOR, NAND like that. Okay, these are AND operation. Okay, similarly, NOT operation, not nothing but this is complement. It is also called complement. Complement all the bits contained in the operand. Okay, complement nothing but zeros and ones, or ones are converted to zero. Zeros are converted to ones and ones are converted to zeros. Okay, this is the NOT gate symbol you have to draw. 1 if it is, output is 0. If input is 0, output is 1. This is NOT gate. Okay. Similarly, to perform the NOT operation for a register, okay, in this individual bits అయితే 1 ఇస్తే 0 వస్తుంది, 0 ఇస్తే 1 వస్తుంది. Now how we have perform the NOT operation for a register? Okay, like R1 register 1 1 0 0. Not R1, not R1, nothing but just 0 is converted to 1, 0 converted to 1, 1 is converted to 0, 1 is converted to 0. That is 0 0 1 1. It's the not operation. Okay. Not nothing but complement of individual bits. Okay. If there are 8 bits are there, similarly the same. The 0 converted to 1 and 0 and 0 and 1. Like any number. A 8 bit register, then have to perform the same manner. Okay. If it is a 4 bit register, then only you can perform the R operation, okay, not operation. Okay. Just converting that one into NOT gate. Okay. Apply to NOT gate, each bit is applied to NOT gate, and ones and zeros are converted this manner. And the NOT operation is used for subtraction. The NOT operation is used for subtraction. Okay. We know that adding 1 to the 1's complement is of signed positive number forms the negative version in 2's complement representation. Negate R1. Negate nothing but we have to change the sign. Negate nothing but plus R1 is changed to minus R1. This is called negation. This is called negation. Negate R1 nothing but just changing the sign of the number. Okay, plus R1 is changed to minus R1, or minus R1 changed to plus R1. To change the sign of the register is nothing but the data in the register. To change the sign of the data in the register, we have to use negation, nothing but 2's complement. Okay, 2's complement, that is nothing but 1's complement plus 1, adding 1. Adding 1 to the 1's complement is called 2's complement. 2's complement nothing but negation. Negation nothing but this is change of sign. Okay. Negative version in 2's complement representation. If R1 is equal to the same, take example, R1 is equal to 1100, then instruction negate, the instruction negate R1 performs the operation 1100, first converted to 1's complement, that is 0011. Next add 1 to that one, next 0100. This is called the negation of R1. This is called the negation of R1. 110 nothing but decimal 12, and 0100 is the minus 12. Okay, na? This is in 2's complement form. Okay, this is negation. Okay, and this operation is used for negation. A minus B, to perform A minus B. For this one, A plus minus B. A minus B can be written as A plus minus B. And minus B nothing but A plus minus B negation B. Negation B nothing but 1's complement of B and B bar plus 1. B bar plus 1. That is A plus B bar plus 1. A minus B can also be written as A plus B bar plus 1. Okay, subtraction can also be performed by using A plus B bar plus 1. Okay, in logic gates, there are addition. To perform addition operation, the circuits are very easy. To perform subtraction, the logic gates are the half adder, full adder are there. But half subtractor, full subtractor, for construction of half subtractor, full subtractor, the complexity is more. Okay, that's why the subtraction is also performed by using A plus B bar plus 1. Okay, only adders, no more subtractors. Okay, B bar, 1's complement of B plus adding 1. This is A plus B bar plus 1 for subtraction. Okay, for performing subtraction operation, we have to use the negation. Negate nothing but B bar plus 1 is nothing but minus B. Negation. These are the logic operation. Similarly, these are primary logic operations or basic logic operations. And in addition to this one, there are XOR operation, NAND, NOR, like that. These are other logic operations, XOR, NAND, NOR. Okay, NAND nothing but AND gate plus NOT gate or AND bar. NOR nothing but OR gate whole bar. That is one complement of OR gate. NAND gate is nothing but AND gate plus NOT gate. This is called NAND gate or AND bar. NOR gate nothing but OR gate plus NOT gate. This is called NOR gate. Okay, NAND NOR. Okay, derived from AND OR only. AND OR only. Derived logic operation from NAND gate and OR gate. AND complement NAND, OR complement NOR. Okay, these are derived logic operation. And XOR operation, A exclusive OR symbol is this one. A exclusive OR B. For AND operation, the symbol is up arrow. For OR operation, the symbol is this one, down arrow. NOT gate operation, complement. Okay. This is AND operation, this is OR operation, this is complement, and this is XOR operation. Okay. A exclusive OR B, nothing but AB bar plus A bar B. This is exclusive OR gate truth table. AB bar plus A bar B. Okay. And the truth table you have now 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. When both inputs are same, the output is 0. When both inputs are different, the output is 1. This is XOR gate output truth table. When both inputs are same, the output is 0. When both inputs are different, the output is 1. This is called XOR gate. Okay. NAND, NOR, and XOR. Okay. And shift and rotate instructions. Other instructions are arithmetic, addition, subtraction, increment, decrement, and on logic operation and or XOR and NOR operation. And there are shift instructions are there. Shift or rotate instructions are there. Okay. These instructions are discussed in the next class. Okay. Yeah. Attend this number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, one and all. Okay. Again, we have to meet again at Monday, 9 a.m. Okay. In that class, we have to discuss about shift instructions and logic instructions. You may link.